Here we go with Jeff R videos. Nice little stream. Goes all the way down. Going to walk us down to the end where there's a surprise at the end of the trail here. Oh, I'm going to have to cross over here. We're at the island Manitoulin. See if I don't fall here, I'll be lucky. Alright, we did it. Like I said, at the end of this video you're going to see a pretty cool surprise. It's actually going pretty fast, what I'm going to show you. Another nice little waterfall. And here's the surprise I was telling you about. It's actually going pretty quick. The old Batman sawmill here on the island. 1983 to 1939. Still going. Anyways, that's pretty neat. See if I can get, and it goes down further. Another waterfall. I have a plaque up here, I'll show you. Anyways, thanks for watching Jeff R videos. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and more to come on its way. Thanks again.